We are going to discuss about the topic Avogadro's law. You know very well, in previous law we have studied about the behavior of gases, volume with the temperature and pressure. So today we are discussing about the relationship between a volume and number of moles of gases. So what is the Avogadro law? He stated that at constant temperature and pressure, volume of a gas is directly proportional to the number of moles or molecules present in a gas. What it means that volume of a gas is directly proportional to the number of moles of that gas, or you can say number of molecules of that gas. If we are taking temperature and pressure, both are constant, then volume is directly depend upon the quantity of the gas. Is that clear? Because if we conserve the temperature and pressure conditions, so there no effect will be seen in the temperature and pressure, then volume directly depend upon the number of moles of that particular type of gas. It may be hydrogen, helium, lithium, helium, or you can say chlorine, nitrogen, etc. Okay, so mathematically how can we write it? We can write volume of a gas is directly proportional to N. N means number of moles of that gas, or you can say number of molecules of that gas at a constant temperature and pressure. Okay. If this is counted as a number of moles of gas. Yes. We know very well that how can we find out the number of moles? Number of moles can be predicted that with the formula of given mass of gas, and in case of gas we are taking given mass of gas divided by molecular mass of that gas. So we can predict the number of moles with the help of this formula. Okay, if we are trying to remove the proportionality constant, we can use like that, V is equal to K into N, where K is known as the Avogadro constant, or you can say the proportionality constant. So we can write this equation in this formula. Now we are moving towards is it clear to everyone?